Welcome to Notes About Notes, a podcast exploring perfume's practical, social, political, cultural, and commercial walks of life. We look at what these mean for you and other perfume lovers. Today's blog post is titled, How Diffusion in Perfume Can Get More Out of Your Scent. Have you ever wondered why the scent of a perfume can fill a room, captivating everyone in its fragrant embrace? The answer lies in the fascinating process of diffusion. In this blog post, we'll delve into the science behind how perfumes spread through the air, exploring the factors that influence this phenomenon and its implications for perfume performance. Perfumes spread through the air by the process of diffusion, the tendency of materials to spread from a source where possible. This is most commonly seen in liquids and gases, and perfume can be either. Factors affecting diffusion in perfume. At the heart of perfume diffusion is the concept of volatile organic compounds, VOCs. A volatile compound simply evaporates more easily. These are the aromatic molecules responsible for the captivating scents we associate with perfumes. When you apply perfume to your skin or clothing, these VOCs begin to evaporate into the surrounding air. Evaporation is when the surface of a liquid turns into a gas. Several factors influence the rate and extent of diffusion in perfume. Temperature. Higher temperatures accelerate the evaporation of perfume molecules by giving them more kinetic energy to break free from the source material, leading to faster diffusion and a more pronounced scent. Air circulation. Adequate air circulation helps distribute perfume molecules more evenly throughout a space, enhancing diffusion. In an open environment like a field, scent will smell stronger or weaker depending on the direction of air currents. You will smell more intensively if you are downwind than upwind. Humidity. Humid environments can affect diffusion of perfume, with higher humidity levels potentially slowing down the evaporation of fragrance molecules. Surface area. The surface area of the skin or clothing where perfume is applied can impact diffusion. Larger surface areas allow for more extensive evaporation and diffusion of fragrance molecules. This is exactly why perfume atomizers and room sprays were developed. When an aerosol is pressed, perfume liquid is released into the air as fine particles. The volatile fragrance compounds in these fine liquid particles can then evaporate from a greater surface area, spreading fragrance through a room more quickly. Perfume concentration. The concentration of fragrance oils in a perfume formulation influences its diffusion. Higher concentrations result in a more potent scent that diffuses more readily. How diffusion affects perfume performance. Understanding the dynamics of perfume diffusion is crucial for optimizing fragrance performance. Proper application techniques, such as spraying perfume on pulse points or clothing, can maximize diffusion and ensure a long-lasting scent experience. Additionally, selecting perfumes with complementary notes can enhance diffusion and create a harmonious olfactory experience. Perfumes with lighter top notes tend to diffuse more quickly, while deeper base notes linger longer, contributing to the overall longevity of the scent. How to make perfume last longer. Moisturize your skin. Hydrated skin retains fragrance better, so moisturize before applying perfume. Layering. Use complementary scented products, such as body lotions or shower gels, to layer the fragrance and enhance longevity. Targeted application. Focus on pulse points, where blood vessels are closest to the skin's surface, to maximize diffusion. To minimize wasted scent, consider using roller balls instead of atomizers. Storage. Store perfumes in a cool, dark place to preserve their fragrance integrity and prevent premature evaporation. Reapplication. Refresh your perfume throughout the day, especially if you're in a warm environment or engaging in physical activity. Conclusion. By implementing these tips, you can enjoy the full potential of your favorite fragrances. That's it for today. You can support this podcast by subscribing or leaving a 5-star review. You can support our perfumery at sealyandcouch.co.uk. That's CELIE and couch.co.uk. Warm wishes wherever and whenever you're listening.